Welcome. I recently upgraded my camera and thought it might be fun to take advantage of the fine early April weather and take my 1989 Jaguar XJS V12 Coupe for its first run of this year. I hope you enjoy the video. I'm not a professional YouTuber, this is just an old timer messing around with a true classic. The XJS first appeared in the mid-1960s as codename XJ27. Designed by the famous aeronauticist and Jaguar D and E-type designer Malcolm Sayer, the project evolved with significant influence and contributions from Jaguar co-founder Sir William Lyons and stylist Doug Thorpe, amongst others. The design by committee approach was necessary following the untimely passing of Malcolm Sayer in 1970. Launching in 1975, the XJS came with the legendary Jaguar 5.3 V12 designed by Walter Hassan and Harry Mundy, and was available with either 3-speed automatic or the rare 4-speed manual option. In 1981, a revised 5.3 V12 using the Michael May Fireball Swirl combustion chamber design was adopted in an attempt to improve fuel efficiency. Indeed, it did, being branded as the HE, High Efficiency model. But to remember the context, this is a 5.3 V12, so anyone expecting great fuel economy will be sadly disappointed. My XJS you see here uses the HE engine, but it has been fettled with various fueling, intake, gearing and transmission modifications, so making it quite a different driving experience from standard. Traditionalists, I'm afraid, may not approve.